Race number 8. Gage Blamag Open Racing Alameda draws for the early lead, followed by Well, Shining Armor and Go Army. Passing the winning pose, Alameda just in front, well, right behind in second. Shining Armor running in third, moving up is Go Army. Out the straight they travel. It is still Alameda leads Balang, followed by Well. Alang Kanihab, Shining Armor and Go Army, who's running in a tail of the fielder. Into the back they travel. It is still Alameda leads by half a length now, followed by Well. Shining Armor try to get closer in third and Go Army. But still Alameda leads by some 3 lengths now over Well. Shining Armor and Go Army. Inside the last 600, it is still Alameda leads by some 3 lengths, followed by Well. Shining Armor on the outside and Go Army. Towards the final turn, it is still Alameda leads by some 2.5. Here comes Shining Armor on the outside. Alameda, Shining Armor on the outside. It's now Shining Armor and Alameda. And nearing the finish line is Shining Armor. Leads by some 3 lengths now over Alameda. And finally, Shining Armor. Alameda, Go Army, and Well.
3-1-4. 3-1-4-2. All right. The unofficial winner.